Hello, hello. Hope now it's actually recording. V2ZDX here. I'm recording this video to share some curiosity and tips as well for extreme weather operation. So, I don't drive to the park. I just go by foot to the park, and I operate on the actual bench, the bench of the park. Right? I don't operate inside my car or anything. And for that, I have to wear gloves, right? Remember that when I'm out, I'm normally at the average temperatures now, I would say it's minus 15 degrees Celsius. I've been out up to minus 35 degrees Celsius, and that's how I have to operate. You'll notice as well that I become more active in parks on DR now in the winter. It's because just the amount of people on the park, right? It's since I operate in urban parks. Uh, People stop to ask me a lot about the stuff I'm doing. At the start, I actually liked that, but eventually I learned that they learn what it is, and then they go to search on the internet and find. Normally, they do on YouTube, and what they find on YouTube is basically advertising and everything that is not amateur radio. When I mean amateur radio, is actually the old man operating the rig, right? Yeah, so I kinda don't like doing that anymore. I'm sorry. So the way that I do is that I use these pens to be able to type on the tablet. I have to use gloves. I use two, right? So I put this one first. Then I need to put a second one, right? This is leather, so it makes things a bit better. Okay, so it's pretty thick, you see? Yeah, and I have a bum, a TP3, right? When I'm willing to carry the weight, I take the Begali. But normally nowadays I'm bringing the TP because there's a lot of ice. I like to take this one, but since there is a lot of ice on the ground, I'm afraid to sleep and fall, damage the equipment, right? So I never that never happened, but I just take the cheapest one. So then I do the sanding. You see, you miss key a lot because it's kind of hard, right? But there's another thing that aggravates, and yeah, the way that I do, or I hold here. You see, I hold here, and then I go type my stuff. You see, miskeying happens a lot. But there is something else that aggravates even more. I'm going to show you. This is, oh, I take the tablet. By the way, I take the tablet because the battery of the tablet lasts more. And I'm not recording because the battery of the phone dies pretty quick. The tablet as well, I take 100%. If I don't charge it, it's going to last 30 minutes because the battery keeps discharging, right? So I take the my battery box has the charger, so I just plug the charger in here, and I'm charging the tablet. It's still not enough. When I'm home, the battery charges the tablet very quickly, but when I'm on the field, the amount of the discharge of the tablet, the battery is not unable to replace to charge that amount. It charges lower, so the weather is really complicated. And the way that I do is that I place this thing here, you see, and I go like this. Why I do this? to try to protect the tablet from the wind. So I put my body to protect the tablet from the wind. And when I do this, I'm breathing in here, and this thing freezes. Ice forms in the contacts, and then you have to hit really hard for this to send. So if you listen to me often, you're going to see that sometimes I'm sending, I'm trying to send the interrogation mark, and it stacks yes, you know what I mean, right? It's because of this. The pedal is frozen, and there's nothing you can do about that. I tried slapping hard. Is this damage? I think it is. No, not much. No, I don't know. But I slap hard the pedal to break the ice. That's the thing you have to do, right? So that's it. So if you have a QSO with me in the park, that's it. And sometimes it's even hard to hear because I wear glasses, but I don't go with the glasses because with all this stuff, wearing the glasses is complicated as well. Yeah, that's about it. So if you do the same type of operation, my biggest tip would be take this with the tablet, right? And then you can use a glove to do the operation. Then your hands doesn't freeze. If you are in the US, the weather there is pretty manageable. Here it's kind of more complicated. But yeah, so this might help you a lot as well. Thank you very much. 73. Let me stop with this.